Modify. Modify is one of the most Googled words when it comes to family law. And what people are usually trying to modify falls into one of three categories: alimony, child support, or custody. Today, we're going to take some time to talk about those three categories and how you make changes to them after your divorce. Okay, first up, alimony. The question of whether or not alimony can be modified or changed is super case specific. So the first thing that we do is take a look at the court order from your divorce and see if it says anything about alimony. And then, depending on what it says, we move forward. If it doesn't say anything, the next question is whether there was a substantial change in circumstances. Next up is child support. Like alimony, the question the court asks when it's deciding whether or not to modify it is whether or not there was a substantial change in circumstances. That said, there's another thing I want you to know about child support, and that's that the court doesn't automatically change child support when your finances change. You have to affirmatively ask the court to do it. Unlike the financial questions with alimony and child support, custody is a different ball of wax. Remember, when it comes to changing a parenting plan or custody, the court always cares first and foremost about what's in the children's best interest. So a change or a modification to a parenting plan is always going to be about what's in the children's best interest. So stop Googling modify. This is all extremely case specific. You need a really experienced law firm that deals with this day in and day out to help you know what your options are and what the best course is. Pick up the phone, give us a call.